Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro tutorial for adding shipping to your sales order. So there's a particular way that this should be done. So I'm on the sales order module here. Let me go ahead and add a customer. Let me add some SKUs to this order. Just gonna go ahead here. SKUs. Now the way to add shipping is you want to go to the shipping tab if you're in the sales order module and basically set up shipping from this page. So if they're picking it up, just leave ship method as pickup. Pretty simple. You can select own truck if you have your own truck, company truck that's doing the shipping for you to your customer. In which case, basically, you can put in the shipping cost here. You can apply a tax code as well, and you'll see that shipping actually gets added as a separate line at the bottom here. And that's if you're doing own truck. Now, third-party shipping is basically if you have a carrier involved, so a FedEx, UPS, Canada Post, Purolator, something like that, who's actually shipping for you. So if you select that, then you want to select a shipping term. So if you notice when I actually selected own truck, this got locked to prepaid and billed. But once you select third party, you have some more options for you. You can go through some of the help tutorials to determine which one you need, but some of the most common ones are prepaid and billed, which basically just bills the customer for shipping. So you can see shipping gets added to the total. So my total here was actually, subtotal was 210, my shipping was 25, and so my total is 235. If I do something like third-party billing, so if the shipping is actually getting charged to the customer's shipping account separately, you'll see that it actually doesn't get added as part of the total. It just gets added as a line here that $25 worth of shipping, but it's shipping terms third-party billing, and it actually the total stays 210. So you can look up the on the help tutorials to see and the help articles to see which shipping term actually applies to you. But prepaid and billed and third-party billing are the most common. And then all you have to do is basically just hit save. Let's see. For third-party billing, yes, you'll actually need a third-party account number because that's the account number that gets applied for this shipping term. So I'm just going to go prepaid and billed, hit save. And there we go. Now my shipping's added. So whenever you want to add shipping, this is the way to do it for a sales order, is just going to the shipping tab and controlling all the fields from here.